to offer win-win situation with interested parties to expand business. We are ready to cooperate on terms with mutual understandings. We believe and gain honesty, responsibility, technological advancement as a principle, and lead our brand to the world. Converting advanced technologies into productive forces requires advanced production and processing capabilities. At the same time, equipment standardization is an important task to enhance the international competitiveness and strong foundation to achieve excellent quality. We believe and follow the same.